Hello, everybody. You should have picked up your paper from the back table. You're at your seat. Your voice is off. Your pencil is down. You're ready to listen. Pencils are down. Okay, so we're going to talk about equations and expressions today. So remember, expressions do not have equal signs. As soon as you put an equal sign, it's automatically wrong, even if everything else about it is correct. Now, equations do have equal signs, right? We have something on this side equals something on this side. These are the same value. That equal sign says this is equal to this. Let's have all three parts. If the problem gives a variable, make sure you use the variable. If it gives you an m, use the m, then you can solve it. And remember, this is an x, an x, an x. I have three x's. I don't know why that put that down there at the bottom. X times x times x is x to the third. That's multiplying. When we're just adding them, we're just combining them together. This is like 1x, 2x, 3 x's. So we're going to see which leprechaun wrote equivalent expressions here. So we have Larry. So this is times. I can't add c plus 5. So 3 times c is 3 c's. Sorry, I'm just writing what I know. And 3 times 5 is 15. This has 15, this has 5. It is not Larry. I'm just going through each one, solving 1C, 2 C's, 3 C's, and 3 C's could be Lenny. But we want to double check, right? It just says leprechaun. There's only one that's true. So if I find a different one, I've got to figure out which one it really is. 3 C's, right? This is 3 C's, 3 times C. This is 3 plus C. This is a 3 and 1 C, not Lucy. C to the third, C times C times C. These are added. This is 3 C's, not C to the third. So it is Lenny had the equivalent expression. Okay, our pencils are still down. We've got Lucky and Levi both created 15 rainbows on Monday. And then on Tuesday, Lucky created 12 more, right? Started with 15, got 12 more. I know that means to add. And then Levi created R. I have to use R in my expression. Fewer means subtract. I'm taking away R, but it's than Lucky. I have to find Lucky first and then take away R. So we're going to create an expression that means no equal sign to represent Levi's total rainbows. So we have to find Lucky, then take away R to find Levi. So I know Lucky, right? He started with 15 and he got 12 more. We're adding on 12. And then he took away the rainbows he made. Right now, I don't know this information yet. Lots of us want to try and put 5 into our problem, but we don't know 5 yet. We do not know that. We can only use 15, 12, and R and our operation signs. That's it. No equal sign. We do not know what it equals. It does not equal 5. It doesn't equal R. He had 15. He got 12 more. That's Lucky, right? He had R fewer than Lucky, minus R from Lucky. So now we know Levi created 5 fewer. Now I know R equals 5. So I'm just going to plug that in. 15 plus 12, and then I'm going to minus 5. So 15 and 12 is 27. Take away 5. Lucky created 22 total rainbows. Just follow your problem, but we don't know the second step until we're done with the first one. Then we're just substituting it into the problem. Hey, your goal today is to work on 1 through 12. There you go. Pick up the pencils and get to work.